Okay. Yeah, it's been working well. To my knowledge, let me just go back. I'll just go to a random day. Oh, let's do Friday. So I'm using three aspects. There is SVP, which is session volume profile. I'm using VWAP and VWAP bands, and then I'm using CVD, which is the volume delta that I made a video on. I made a video on each of these three individually. So if you're interested in kind of learning the way I'm using it, it will be in those videos, but it's going to be in this one as well. And just like the kind of merging of them. So I would always start with 30-minute volume profile. Let's just go to a random day where I could do this. Previous day's volume profile. Let's do this. Let's actually do this so that I don't know what day it is. Also, it has to be something recent so that I can have CVD data. So 30th. So anything from the 30th of September. So let's go this day. Boom, 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 boom. Where's my horizontal lines? Gosh. Okay. Let's do this day. 3rd of November. Sorry, 3rd of October. So, okay, let's do replay function. I forgot I had replay function. Okay. So this one already started. I'll hide this for now. So using previous day's value area. Boom. This is value area low, value area high. And now since we're outside, let's just do this. We're outside. So my idea is either we're gonna go bounce here and push up to this value area high, old virgin value area high, or we're gonna break through and then push the value area low. Those are the only two considerations that I have for now. If it breaks through this low, we're gonna see a move down into this virgin value area low. So we've got three levels. So it's value area high, value area low, virgin value area low, virgin value area high. 4 levels. Those 4 levels are what's going to be important to me on this day. There are some more, but I think for now this is the best interpretation I can give you. Okay. So let's delete all of this again. Let's delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. Delete. Then let's add just another, oh gosh. Virgin value area low. Delete this one. Delete all the drawings I made. And then add this one to virgin value area high. Okay. Delete horizontal line. Now all of our areas are drawn on. So that's value area. Volume profile, sorry. Value areas are drawn in. I can now hide that indicator and open up VWAP. So now with VWAP, if it's outside, it stays outside. If it's inside, it stays inside and crosses over to the other end of the range. That's basically all you need to know. It's kind of simple and easy to understand. but it gets a bit nuanced. But you just need to understand that when it gets to value area high, value area low, you have in your mind what you want to see, and VWAP just confirms that, and then you go into CVD and you look for divergences. Okay, so let's go into 3-minute chart. Let's delete this. So now, as you can see, that's our VWAP. We're at the bottom of the band. So if, let me do this quickly. We inside, yeah, we're top. So we're still expecting this. Now we've broken through, hit that once, hit it twice. Now we're expecting to go to the other end of the range of value area. And we want to take trades outside this band, going short, or at the top of this band, going short. But also it has to be below the value area high, because you want to see it move across value area high. Okay, with that being said, let's just erase all of this. Okay, now we're at value area high, we're at VWAP, the lower end, and now we open up our CVD, and now we're looking for shorts, so we're looking at a divergence on the highs. So it'll be there to here. Let's see how this looks. Okay, now 1x speed. So here you can see there's a slight divergence. This high to this high. Put this in blue. Make it thick. And then this high to this high. So here you could take this short. Stop above. It's 1 to 6 risk reward. Play 3x speed. So now you're watching CVD mainly and VWAP. So it got back into VWAP band, and then yesterday's VWAP bounced off there. So this has a chance of now reversing and taking it out, which is okay. There's risk in what you're doing. But if it gets below VWAP again, your odds kind of increase from what I've noticed. Your odds increase now. If we continue the replay function. Yep. So now see there's another divergence now. Here to here, and then here to here. So now we have the divergence, we're outside VWAP. We could take another short here. Take another short above the high, targeting these lows. 1 to 4 risk reward. So if both trades work out, it would be 1 to 10, and you're only risking 2%. And what you want to look for on the CVD is divergences like this now. Like there it gives a divergence. But this is signaling exhaustion. So the buy, or yeah, the sellers are kind of exhausted up here. And we'll see if the buyers step in. If buyers step in, you want to close this trade. Even though we're still below VWAP, it could now move hard in the other direction. But if the sellers can keep pushing price down, we'd have confidence that it's going to hit this level and even continue down to the Virgin Valley area low, which is down here, which would be like 15, 16 odd. Let's continue with this. So now you want to monitor, is order flow and price agreeing, or is there a lack of agreement and a reversal? Like right there, you want to close here. So this is the point where I would probably close the trades out. Let's just check this. It's 0.3, 0.4, and then so about 1.8%. Just because the tape is telling me this move has hit its limit. Basically, like the price in the tape is now green, like big up candle here, big up candle on the order flow, and this just signals to me that um also inside VWAP now, inside the VWAP band. Also, that signals to me that buyers could now step in and cross over to the high of this VWAP band. As you can see, I was wrong. I was wrong about taking the trade out here, but the idea, oh, we have another divergence here. So we've got another divergence here. Oh, it is here to here. Sorry, here to here, and then here to here. We add VWAP. There's another divergence. So to me, I would have cut this trade and not gotten 10 odd. I've gotten like 0.8, but the idea for the day was correct. My analysis of VWAP was correct. It could even move now to Virgin Valley area low, just because it's very early on in the day. There was a huge amount of selling. We're still in London session, so we've got all of London and then New York session. But yeah, our targets would have been hit, even though we might not have been in the trade anymore. But our targets were hit. But let's see how the rest of the day went. 10x speed. Yep. So now the third idea that I had when we opened here and we crossed below this. Now we're waiting for a bounce here at this area and for VWAP to confirm that. So if we stay outside VWAP, we could have a move all the way down to Virgin Valley area low. But if we cross back into VWAP, we could have a move all the way back in up to Valley area high the day. Yeah. So I would look now at the tape. Is it giving divergence anywhere? Mind you, I'm done. My target has been met for the day, so I'm not even looking to get any more entries. Now we have kind of a long time that it's been inside this VWAP. So we're going to expect it now to most likely go to the other end of the range up here. Instead of down there to the virgin value area low. Yep, and it does it right. Right after I say that's just coincidence. I didn't know that. Oh, it's funny. And now with that move, if we're seeing VWAP come up and price kind of doing something like this, we'd probably go up to value area high. But we first needed to spend like some time or some have a high range above value area high for this idea to be valid. Oh no, next day, boom. Okay, that's now the end. So now, in looking at this, I just showed you guys how I do my trading for the day. The reason I'm actually showing this is because I want to start doing preps. So morning preps and then like afternoon or night recaps of the day. Yeah, and I just want to get everyone on the same page before I start doing it. So there's not like a million questions asking, hey, why'd you do this? Why'd you do that? Da, 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 da. And it's also identifying, oh, yeah, that's why I want to show this. But for this day, you can see this worked out pretty well. 1 to 6, like a crazy, really good entry. Almost never in drawdown again, just a bit of drawdown. And then a 1 to 4 with a bit of drawdown up here. About 0.5% of drawdown, but more than 0.5% or half R. So it's 1 to 10. And that's just me doing a random day. Like there are certain days that have higher chance of moving one directionally and you can put on more risk and have larger targets. And there's certain days that's just like rotational, like today, like this day that I'm showing you. It's more inside this value area high, value area low, just moving between the two. But yeah, with that being said, be safe. Cheers.